Hi all, this is Afzal, an enterprise architect and data engineering leader. And in this video, I'm going to explain in Python how you can write a code to find a number is prime number or not. See, this kind of coding you need to keep on doing a practice so that you feel very confident in any of the logical problem. Let's jump to the code. Okay, so the very first thing is declare a variable. In that you will have a number which you want to find prime number or not. Now next is have a flag variable where you store whether is a prime number true or not. This is just a flag variable, you can have anything. Okay, now next a variable, what you have to do is you need to have, see, whichever the number is, it's a very logical thing. Suppose you have 19, so you no need to divide till 19 to find a prime number, yes or no. So what you have to do, you need to divide till half of the 19 so that figure it out whether this number is divisible by any number or not. This is just a logical thing for to find a prime number, mathematical logical thing. It's not a coding logical thing. Okay, so that's the reason because no use to divide till 19 to find a prime number 19 or not. So that's the reason I've declared a variable till divisible number. So what I have done is convert to the int so that it will not have any float value, num, which is whichever the number you need to find, divide by 2. Okay, so it will have 19, then 9 value it will come here. Okay, till 9, if this number is divisible, then this is prime number. Okay, now you have to declare a variable. With that will be starting point. See, in the prime number you should not divide by 1, no point, it will be divisible. So the starting point is 2. From 2 number will be start divisible. So now the next thing is run a loop, while loop, and starting point is this till it is this is the starting point, divisible number, and till divisible number, mean that half of the number. We will run a loop and keep dividing and figure it out if it is divisible, yes or no. So the next line of code is if num, this num is this divisible number which is starting point 2, if it is equal 0, then it is not a prime number. Have a false and break the loop and come out. No need to continue the loop, so that keep on checking. We no need to keep on checking. We have to come out from the loop. That's the reason this break loop, and it will stop the process also. No need to do unnecessary process also. Okay, so that's the reason this is the break. We come out from the loop immediately. If suppose this is not true, then what will happen? Increase the number. So in this case, first it will divide by from 2, and then it will have a +1, it will be 3, and then again loop will run and figure it out whether this statement is true or not. This will continue till 9. Okay, and once this loop is run, we will check whether this is what is the flag value. If it is true, this is prime number. If it is not true, this is not a prime number. Now let's run the code. See, 19 is not a prime number. Sorry, 19 is a prime number. Okay, let's put 20. Okay, and run it. 20 is not a prime number. Okay, let's run 23. 23 is a prime number. That's it. I'll keep suggesting, do this kind of practice of the code, keep looking to the code. This will be really helpful to solve the logical problem. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for upcoming lot of coding video and exciting video. Happy coding.